Hi, my name is Johanne Brunet and I'm Professor of Marketing at HEC Montréal. So I will be teaching a course that's called Cultural Industries and International Markets. So the objective of this course is to familiarize the students with exporting and importing cultural products. So at first what we'll do is understand how these markets work, what are the some of the trends of the international markets, understand also some of the regulations that can be in place, and also what I want to give the students are some tools so that they can analyze these markets before they start exporting to these markets. So that's sort of the first part of it. The second part that I want to touch upon has to do with the different ways of exporting. So from something where we can do this mostly on a passive way to being very, very active, and not only being active but being very proactive to actually eventually being able to invest in foreign markets. So we will look at all of these different ways of exporting and also, of course, of importing. And the pedagogical approach that I choose for this is quite mixed. So, of course, there has to be some lectures so that some of the concepts, the theories can be shared. And there's on-site visits of some companies that are quite successful at doing this. Then I like to invite very prominent guests from the cultural industries who have a lot of experience on the international scene. We use also different tools like forums, for example, in-class presentations. And at the end, what I like to do is that for the last class, that throughout this, the students have worked on a project that is important to them. And then the presentations that are actually filmed, and the students present their projects to one another, and we discuss them, we evaluate them, we give feedback to one another. So roughly, this is what we plan to do. I think it's a very exciting course. I think it's an exciting content. We are in an age of internalization and globalization. Culture likes to travel. People from different countries want to see the cultures of other countries and vice versa. And it's important that we understand the mechanisms that are available to us in order to do this. Because what we want is we want to do this properly. We want to do this in a way that it's going to be possible for us to build on these first experiences. And also we want to minimize cost. So I look forward to meeting the first cohort that we will be receiving. And we're all, and I'm sure you've been able to tell by the other presentations, that we're all quite excited about doing this. So thank you, and looking forward to meeting you. Bye-bye.